Good afternoon everyone, it's Ben from BMIT Solutions and my next video blog. What I wanted to go through with you today are backing up and doing backups. So how important it is through this period that we do backups. First of all, you can back up to one of these, what's a USB pen stick. These come in loads of different sizes. One is a 16 gig, but you can get 64 gig. 128 gig and I think 240 gig ones now, so they are quite freely available. And you can also back up to one of these. Let's say this one's a Maxtor, this one's iCell Maxtor external hard drives. They come in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, or 4 terabyte. So the bigger the size, the more expensive they are. But it's worth backing up to these because it keeps all your data nice and safe. What I was going to go through was the reliability of hard drives, because most laptops, computers come with one of these, which is a mechanical SATA hard drive. It has, as you can see here, it's got a motor and it's got a SATA connection here. And what normally happens with these, over a period of time, they've only got like 10,000 hour lifespan on them, and over time, when they keep turning around and doing the data transfer back and forwards, they wear out, and then eventually they become corrupted and you lose your data. So that is quite a major fault. So what I normally do with most of these now, and I've been doing quite a lot of them this week, I've got 2 machines on the go today, are actually having these fitted, having new ones of these fitted, having SSDs fitted. What I normally fit them with are one of these. This is a PNY 240 gig SSD. I also do the Maxtor versions as well and the Kingston versions. So these are not as expensive as they used to be. For say, for these sort of size of 240, you're looking for under £50 for one of these, and you can go upwards to the 480s, what are still under 80 quid, and then the 1 terabyte on 980s are about 120, 130 pounds. So the price has come down. It's gone up a bit since, unfortunately, the coronavirus has bumped the price up a little bit of the old hard drives. They've gone up quite a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch the camera over and you're going to see how fast the machine boots when it's got an SSD. So if we switch the camera over, you'll see the 2 machines I just had the SSD fitted to them. I'm not going to show you those machines. I'm going to point the camera to this machine. This is my computer. This is a Dell Inspiron 3000. It's got 32 gig of RAM and an SSD in it, and it's a very super quick computer. So if I press the power button, comes up with the Dell logo, does a quick turn like that, and then it's into Windows, and it's going to ask for my login. So that's how quick an SSD hard drive works. They're really fast, and one of my machines got 32 gig of RAM, but these 2 older machines over here are just as quick at booting into Windows as that machine is. So no matter how old your machine is, that Dell over here is about 8 or 9 years old, and that Lenovo there is about 3 or 4 years old. But they both benefit from an SSD hard drive, especially now that people are working from home. It's quite good to refurbish old computers and get them working quickly, so you can do your work at home more faster and quicker than waiting for them to load up. And it saves you money in the long run, because you don't need to fork out a lot of money for a new laptop if you can get your older one refurbished by someone like myself, and that saves you money as well. So if I switch the camera back to me, so that's what we could do for you. So we're doing the pick up and drop off service. Both these machines were left on the customer's porch, and we picked them up, and then we took them back here, and they'll be going back later and leaving them on the porch. The customer takes them away and pays us by BACS transfer. So it's all safely done, no contact with the customer. And if they have any problems, we can do it through TeamViewer to set up things like printers and other devices they may have. We can do that all remotely once they've got their computer plugged into their home or office. So we're carrying on going on that. Another thing I was to say about backups as well, we're still doing the OneDrive service. So we offer a 1 terabyte OneDrive with Office 365 for $9.50 a month. That gives you the peace of mind that not just using one of these, you get the cloud backup, so all your stuff's backed up to the cloud as well as an external hard drive. So you've got a double backup. So if the machine ever died, then you've got all your data in the cloud, and then we can repopulate it once the new machine's connected up to the internet. So it's quite a good way of doing it. You can have the OneDrive on its own without Office for about $2.50 a month. For like, I think it's about 500 gig you can get for $2.50 a month. But it's worth paying a bit extra because you get all the Office packages like Excel, Word, Access, PowerPoint Publisher as well, and Outlook. So it's worth paying the extra $4.50 a month because you get the extra bits with it. And you also get the 1 terabyte Exchange mailbox, which is worth the money alone. Because the 50 gig Exchange mailbox means that all your emails are stored in the cloud. So if you have any problems, we can retrieve the data from the cloud, and you don't have to rely on your computer to keep a backup of the emails because they're automatically backed up by Microsoft in the cloud. That's a good solution to have as well as having a Cronus as a secondary backup, which can back up your emails for as little as 20p per gig. So there's loads of options out there. We can keep you protected and keep all your data protected. So my advice is to have one cloud solution and one hard solution as well, like the external hard drive or pen stick. So make sure you back up on both each day. So you've got one hard copy, one cloud copy. So I hope you found this video useful. So we're doing the SSD upgrades for quite cheap at the moment. So if you've got an older laptop or PC that's running really slow and driving you mad, we're still doing pick up and drop off service, as well as we're still doing refurbished computers dropped off to your house without any contact from anybody, and it's all done safely on your doorstep. So let me know and I can sort that out for you. That's Ben from BI Solutions signing out for this video, and I'll speak to you very soon.